Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Snake, EO Multiplayer. To begin, you'll control your snake using your mouse or finger, guiding it across the arena. Your main goal is to collect the many glowing pellets scattered around, which will make your snake grow longer. Remember to steer clear of other snakes and the edges of the playing field, as any collision will end your game instantly. It's a simple concept, but mastering it takes practice. To grow your snake, focus on consuming the colorful pellets found throughout the game map. You'll notice that some pellets are larger and provide significantly more growth than the smaller ones. A fantastic way to gain size quickly is by eliminating other players. When an opponent crashes, their body transforms into a trail of highly nutritious pellets, offering a substantial boost to your snake's length. This is key to becoming a dominant force. Mastering advanced tactics is crucial for success. One effective strategy is to circle around smaller snakes, gradually tightening your loop until they have nowhere to go and crash into your body. You can also use your speed boost, but be mindful that it consumes a portion of your snake's length. Employ it strategically to escape dangerous situations or to quickly cut off an unsuspecting opponent. Anticipating their moves is a powerful skill. In Snake, EO, you'll compete against dozens of other players in a dynamic, real-time environment. Your ultimate objective is to grow the largest snake possible and claim the #1 position on the leaderboard. This requires a combination of careful movement, strategic eating, and clever eliminations. Consistent practice will sharpen your reaction time and refine your tactical approach, helping you to consistently outmaneuver your rivals and achieve victory.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.